So I've been stuck in the worst traffic on 14th Avenue. For some odd reason I decided to take 14th Avenue after work. What an idiot. So I ran out of petrol. Fortunately it was right in front of the Caltex, the petrol station. So I bought a pie and a Red Bull, and now I'm just gonna stand here in this park, have my pie, my Red Bull, and wait to get mugged. What did you think of the coffee making video? It's very Peter McKinnon-esque, I guess. Well, I was kind of inspired by him. And also in the previous video I said that I want to start doing more prettier, or I want to start doing prettier videos. But to the point, the Hot 191 coffee. They sent me the packet of roasted beans or ground beans and a plunger. Not the plunger you saw in the video, it's a tiny plunger. Dude just ran past with a kayak. I think he's training for the Discovery Triathlon. Anyway, so they sent me that, and it was lying around for like 3 months. Then I eventually just decided. So I made the coffee, which you saw. And now I want to review it. It's a medium roast. They gave it a 3 out of 5 on the roast scale, I guess. But it's more like a 4. It's quite dark actually. I drink my coffee straight up black, nothing else, like a cowboy. And it's like off the bat, it's not made for that, man. You can't have that specific Hot 191 FM roast like that. I'd suggest maybe doing it in a cappuccino. It would work perfectly with a double shot, some cream, some froth. What up, peep? Overall, it's not too bad. It's quite earthy, which is a good thing when it comes to coffee. Not like putting gravel in your mouth, but it's got a nice, it is beans, you know, roasted beans. After drinking it, would I go out on my own, buy it? Except for it being a novelty thing, which it's supposed to be. It's meant to promote their breakfast show, which is quite smart. Hot 191, I'm sure you'll see this. Well done on that. But then again, I am a bit of a coffee snob, and you should be. But it is still good coffee, if that makes sense. It's a good 6 out of 10, I guess. 7 out of 10. And that's this video in a nutshell. Support Hot 191. Really good channel. I'm doing this out on my own, by the way. I enjoy listening to them. They play really cool soul music, bit of funk. And driving to work in the morning, listening to that type of stuff. You know you're gonna have a good day if that happens, right? Well, I didn't get mugged. Let's drink to that. And I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you, you love me, you know. Let's do this.